First we will click on Get Data and click on Excel Workbook. I have my data set already here. Then we click on New Visual. Here we have our decomposition tree visual. We drag sales to analyze. Then we drag region into explain by. And then we drag state to explain by. Similarly, we drag city to explain by. And here our decomposition tree has been populated with data of sales, with total sales and then sales from each region and then from each state. And then from each city. Change the theme to look it more presentable. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.